Welcome back to my channel, or hi for the first time if you didn't see the first video, which if you didn't, I think is pretty wholesome and pretty cute. So yeah, I was out getting groceries for the week, and I live in the north, so it's already cold enough where you have to wear a hat, and I started thinking about my channel and video ideas, and I got so excited that I literally rushed home. Forgot to get blueberries. I rushed home and sat right down, and here I am. So I kind of briefly told you guys what my channel is going to be about. Love is the topic. So I thought I could expand a little bit on what to expect, what you can expect, and just say hi again, to maybe share some stories if you're interested in listening. So, channel name, This is Bliss. I had brainstormed for a few days, honestly, about what I should name my channel, and a few names or words were, floating around, like dating, love, relationships, and I was gonna use the word dating in my channel name, but I thought that just kind of, it sounded too straightforward, dating. So I decided to keep back to the drawing board, keep thinking, and I closed my eyes and I envisioned a beautiful relationship and what would I feel in that scenario? What would someone feel in that scenario? And bliss instantly came to mind. So I decided to name my channel This is Bliss, because the goal of this channel is for anyone that watches to have some more confidence with dating, or to just have a knowledge base on what makes relationships strong, so that they can experience bliss themselves. I've experienced it many times, and it is truly my favorite feeling on earth. So I think that's why before, when I said in my last video, I was talking about how everything in my life kind of revolves around this concept of love. So I think it's because when I was, younger and I fell in love for the first time, my whole world was like, whoa, this is pretty cool. Love this feeling. Of course, I'm not still with that person. And that part's always really hard. But the great memories, the great feeling, that's always still there, and we can always still have that. I still have it enough to make a channel about dating and love and bonding. So, anyway, yeah, so that's the name. This is Bliss. Let me know in the comments if you like the name, what you think about it. Or just to say hi, and I'll say hi back. Okay, so channel name, This is Bliss. What are we going to talk about on here? So I mentioned before as well, we could talk about dating ideas, date night ideas, what you guys can do together all year round. So I have a million ideas for fall, Christmas, winter date ideas. They're so cute. And it's coming up. Especially living up in the north. Snow. Oh my gosh. Snow dates are so cute. Obviously you have to be dressed appropriately, or just hug each other a lot so you don't freeze over. But I just was reminded of this scene, major nerd moment here, but the scene from The Borrowers. If you've seen that movie, leave it in the comments. I've seen The Borrowers, because I feel like that is a rare movie to watch. But anyways, that was one of my favorites when I was a kid. And in one of the scenes, Pea Green, which I don't know why they decided to name him Pea Green. Pea Green gets stuck in the freezer. So it's called The Borrowers because they're like miniature. It's my little bobby pin. They're like miniature little people. And they borrow stuff from a human size, like a, how do I describe this without being weird? A regular size human home. So if they need energy or whatever, they just borrow a battery from they call them like beans, human beings, so they just call them beans. Anyway, so they borrow a battery from the beans home and then use that to power their whole little home, which is like in the floor of the beans home. Anyways, so one of the kids' borrower's name is Pea Green, and him and his older sister Ariete are like in the kitchen. They're not doing what they're supposed to be doing. Ariete wants ice cream out of the freezer. And of course, Pea Green wants ice cream too because they're kids. So why wouldn't they want ice cream? So she goes and she gets the freezer open, and all of a sudden, Pea Green's in there eating the ice cream, and the freezer door starts shutting, and she can't hold it open because she's freaking miniature. So he gets stuck in there, and later, like, the dad comes and saves them and everything, and that just popped into my head. You gonna leave him there till the ice stove, huh? Anyway, I always have all these weird movie quotes in my head. So, yeah, date ideas for winter. You do not want to get ice stove, so you have to dress appropriately. But I just think there's so many cute video ideas about date ideas specifically. That's just one topic. There's like endless topics about love that I can make videos about. So, I have to go. I gotta put my groceries away. But I'll make another video about some more ideas that I have, some more things you can expect from the channel, and to say hi again. Anyway, I hope you had an awesome day, or have an awesome day depending on what time it is that you're watching this, and see you in the next one.